Welcome, boys. Today we are going to start our chapter number 5, that is Organization Charts in MS PowerPoint 2010. Textbook we have already uploaded in our Google Classroom. In this chapter, we are going to learn about inserting charts in our PowerPoint presentation and adding and deleting box in charts like this one in our diagram and changing the shapes which we have already selected and changing color of the boxes and some editing, and at last we are going to learn how to add smart art style in organization charts. Here, look here in our textbook, you have already learned this animation and adding sounds, how to record sounds and how to edit in our PowerPoint presentation. We have already learned in previous chapter. Here, what is this organization charts? It's a diagram that shows the structure of an organization management, like hierarchy of the organization from president to manager, vice president, treasurer, and they have given an example here. It's a structure of a sports club of a school, and from the president of the club, it's been subdivided into a vice president, manager, treasurer, and head coach. And after that head coach, it's been subdivided into senior student coach and junior student coach, like that. So like this, if you want to represent a diagram into your PowerPoint presentation, we have to use this organization charts. For this, and this is also another example, this is about a multinational company. Head of the institution or organization company is CEO. After that, after CEO, that assistant will be there, and under that assistant CEO and different managers are there, that designing manager, testing manager, production manager, quality control manager, and after that manager, design manager, it's been subdivided into assistant manager, like this. If you want to insert a chart, insert a diagram into your PowerPoint presentation, we have to do like this. So let's see. Let's open our previous file, that is the one which we have already created. For inserting chart, we have to go to insert an illustration group, and we have to select the smart art, and where there are different charts. So let's see, this is the file that we have already created. Let's take a blank chart, or you can take any of the layout. Let's say you want to take this one. You can add chart out here, and you can write your description out here in this left side. So for adding chart, we have to click on insert tab and illustration group, and after that smart art. Let's see, insert tab, illustration group. Look here, this is illustration group and smart art or chart. We have to click chart if I want to add charts, and if you click on smart art also, look here, this is the example that here you have seen in our textbook, organization chart. This is the one which we are the name of the chapter also, organization charts. Let's select this one, click on OK. Look here, it's added. The one which we have seen in our textbook is the same thing, that is CEO is written here, assistant and manager, different manager level are here. So let's take this one, CEO, assistant, design manager. This is for marketing manager. This is for HR. So we have inserted like this. It's very easy. If it is a different layout, if you are taking a blank layout also, you can insert like this. Or if you want to take any of the layout from here, you can select any of the layout with your requirement or with your choice, and you can insert inside that layout. So for adding chart, I'm going to tell you again, go to insert tab, illustration group, and after that smart art. After smart art, select this hierarchy, and with your requirement or with your choice, you can select any of the list process. Look here, these are the list process. If your requirement is out here, then you can select this one also. And process type. So when you set an example for like life cycle and all, you can select this circle thing, continuous process life cycle, or when tick, and hierarchy relation between a two organization, you can represent by using this represent relationship chart matrix. And there are different type of other category also. So next thing is, after we have already added a chart in our presentation, now we can how to add any other more boxes or delete boxes in our organization chart. This chart, the one which we took, is called organization chart. In this organization chart, we are now going to learn how to add more boxes and how to add more how to delete boxes. So if I want to add another manager here, how I'm going to deal with that one? Let's delete this side. So select that smart art like this. If you want to add a box, it will appear this one in the ribbon. For adding new shape, select this chart, the one which you are working on, and go to, after selecting the chart, you can see the smart art tool out here. After that, you have to go to design tab, and you have to select under which uh, category, or which, under the CEO or under assistant or under this design manager, where you want to add the new box or new shape. Here we are working on, or we are using here box. That's why I told you which new box you want to insert or which shape you want to insert. You can insert, rather it may be a new different shape, circle or any other. You can use any other shape. It's not mandatory to use box. Now look here. So we will select under which manager or assistant, or under which shape you want to include a new shape. So select the chart, go to design tab, and add shape. Look here in the small arrow drop down. After, when I click it, says like add shape after, add shape before, add shape above, add shape below, add assistant. So there are different categories here. You can insert, and it may be, let's select the CEO. If I select the CEO, you can relate with the one which they are given here. You want to insert a new shape after this one or before it. If you want to add before it, look here. You cannot see this one before it. undo, or assistant or manager. Let's see, assistant. Let's select this assistant. CEO. Add shape after. Let's select this assistant and let's see here. Add shape after assistant. After assistant, this one. Let's undo it and let's see the different one again. I have selected this assistant and add shape before assistant. Now this is before assistant, like the one which we have included in CEO. Let's undo it and let's see the next one. Add shape above assistant. Above assistant, the hierarchy which above assistant, CEO under that new shape, and after that the assistant. This is above assistant. Look at the line here, a joining line which is already given here. You can check it out from here. So where you want to add the new shape, you can insert, you can select it, shape or box, and you can insert with your choice. Now I'm going to undo this one and let's see the next one. We have already seen above, and add shape below. When you click on this one, you can see a new shape which is under this assistant, the one which we have selected. I have selected this assistant and the new shape is inserted under this. So this is from this category, add shape below. When you select this below, after when you are selecting this assistant, it will create a new shape under this assistant. So with this choice, the one which they have already given here, you can see where you want to add a new shape or new box. It may be any shape, you can change it later on also. We are going to learn after a few minutes. So I'll undo it again. Let's see the next one. I have already selected assistant, and the last one is add assistant. Assistant of assistant, we are not going to add an assistant for this, so let's not say assistant this one. uh, Director, after CEO, director, or let's say owner, after owner, director, after that this assistant. Owner, director, assistant, manager, design manager, can say like that also, marketing manager, HR manager, like that. So there are different category out here, different hierarchy with your organization. You can develop any organization. If you are making about a school, then you can say principal on the top, and after that principal, after the in charge, uh, junior in charge, senior in charge, and after that uh, subject teacher, no, this one, a subject in charge, after that subject in charge, subject teacher, the class teacher, after that student, like that. There are different hierarchy in school also. You can create a new one if you have computer at home, practice it at home, and you can, by using this organization charts is different. Another thing, insert, go to smart art and select this hierarchy, and this is the one, organization chart. Look at the name also, name and title of organization charts. So in this organization chart, you can create our school hierarchy, that is from principal to student. You can create like that. And they have given an example in our textbook also. Let's see, let me open it. Where is that? Look here. Chairperson, vice chairperson, principal, vice principal, headmistress, senior school coordinator, middle school coordinator, nursery wing coordinator, junior school coordinator, like that. There are different category about this school, so you can create like this. Look here carefully. If you want to edit the one which we have already typed here, you can directly press like this and you can type or edit inside that shape. And if you want to edit also, you can open this text pen over here, click on this, and you can edit here. Owner, you change this one, director, assistant, design manager. Like this you can change it. This is called text pen. So what we have learned how to add this organization charts in our PowerPoint presentation, and we have learned how to edit or insert text in the shapes that the one which we have already selected, and we have learned how to add this or box or shapes, new shapes in organization charts, and how to delete this one. I'll tell you how to delete this one. Select the chart and you can directly press delete key also from the keyboard. If you want to delete it, for adding new one, you can add here uh, under which shape you want to add. Select that first, and you can go to design tab. After that, create graphic group, and after that you can select this add shape, and which category you want to add. Textman, here you want to add a new one, so you can write here, let's say new manager. We're going to recruit this one. So like this you can edit your organization charts. And if I want to delete this marketing manager, select that one and press directly delete key from the keyboard. This will be the very easier way to delete it. Or you can create a new this shapes, or add a new shape or box from the text pane also, the one which I have already done. And here delete key, very easy. I'm going to tell you last time. Select that box or shape and you can directly press delete key from the keyboard, and it will delete that shape or box. Now next topic is changing shape of boxes in an organization chart. Until now we are using only box for our organization charts, for making our hierarchy of an organization chart. Look here, for an organization, if you want to change the shapes, that the one which you have already selected right now here, if you want to change the shape of the CEO or assistant, you want to change the assistant shape into a circle. So let me select that assistant first, or let me select that shape. If you want to change the shape of the box, then you have to select it first. If you want to change the design manager shape, you have to select it like this. If you want to change the manager HR manager, you have to select like this. New manager, you have to select it. If you want to select assistant, you have to select first, and after that go to format. After format, you have to select this change shape. Look here, it's changed. It's very easy. I'll tell you again. First, you have to select the shape. It may be any shape in your charts, organization charts. Select the shape, select that shape first, and after that go to format. Go to format tab, and after that shape group. Look here, go to this format tab and go to shapes group, and under this shapes group there is an option called change shape. In this change shape, click and you can select any shape available here. I'm going to change this assistant into another one. Let's select this one like this. If you want to change new manager, doesn't look good, let me change it to another one better. And owner also, let me change it to another one. Go to format tab, shapes group, and change shape option, and so you can select now owner, which shape you want to keep it under owner, and select this one, another rectangle. New manager, it's not being recruited right now, so I want to change it into another one. So new manager is new manager will be this one. This is going to recruit in our organization. This is the owner, this is assistant, and after that design manager, HR manager, and after the new manager we are going to recruit this one. So which the one which you have already selected the chart or organization chart, you can change the shape with your choice. You can change it to any other shape which is available here in PowerPoint. Now next we are going to do is changing color of an organization chart. We are going to change the colors of organization charts. For this one, you need to select your chart first, and after that go to design tab. This is the design part. Changing color means by the word itself we know that it's going to be in a design group, design. So click on design tab and look here, change color. There are different color which are already pre-designed by our computer. You can select from here directly like this. The color of the owner and other things are different. You can select this one also. These are pre-designed. You can select any of them like this. So in smart art style also there are different category. After selecting, look here, it may look like a 3D. Like this. So first you need to select your chart, and after the design tab, after that smart art style group, after that you can click on this change color. You can select any of your choice. Here I'm not going to select or demonstrate each and every category. You can see for your own, and after that, after selecting your choice, you can see from here also smart art style. There are different style from here available here like this, in 3D style also. So this is very easy. After selecting the changing the color, you can add smart art style which is already there pre-designed by our computer. The one which we have learned about template and all like that. This smart art style is a pre-designed format which is already done by our PowerPoint presentation software, Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'll tell you again, if you want to change your chart colors, then you have to go to select the chart first, and after that design tab, after that smart art style group, design tab, after that smart art style group, and after that there is an option called change color. You have to click this one and you have to select the new choice available here. You can change this one. And and for selecting a smart art style, select your chart and go to design tab. After that smart art tool, there is a smart art style, different smart art style. You can select that one and immediately it will affect in your chart, in your presentation. Here comes the end of our chapter. Let's see. This is the one. For more, you can click on this more button. Is our hand on? You have to create, or you have to practice this one in computer. Here some questions are there. The main thing is you have to understand the topic and I'll ask question from that one, not the direct question which are already predefined here in your textbook. It's just like a spoon feeding. So you have to understand the topic here, the one which we have discussed here. And if you have any doubt, you can comment it in our Google Classroom. I'll reply if you have any doubt. Or so let's end here. Thanks for watching.